local adaptation of brand communications. Ramesh Marketing was established in the year 2003 at Vetupalayam, located to the north of Coimbatore city in the South Indian state of Tamil Nadu. Ramesh Marketing was promoted by the 60-year-old Ramesh Group of companies with interests in truck financing and retailing of tires, batteries and accessories. During initial stages, Ramesh Marketing served as the exclusive dealer for ExxonMobil for southern Tamil Nadu. Local adaptation of brand communications, the Ramesh Marketing way. Even though Mobil is a multinational brand, the brand awareness in the region was very low when compared to the already established players because of lack of brand communications in local language to suit local sensibilities and culture. The challenge was in taking a global brand like Mobil to local distribution network and the end user. It was in this context that we executed local adaptation as a strategy for our brand communications, adhering to branding guidelines provided by Mobil. The primary targets. We divided the distribution network into 4 targets for our brand communications, namely the retailer, mechanics, end user and employees. Retailer schemes. Retailers being the main pipeline in our sales network, we designed custom rewards and gift schemes. Annual events and travel rewards for performing retailers have resulted in retailer loyalty. These schemes are thematically created with attractive e-mailers and physical mailers which are sent to the retailers. These retailer-focused campaigns with valuable inputs and support from Mobil have proved to be very successful in increasing the sales. Mobil 40 Club is an innovative scheme introduced by Ramesh Marketing and Mobil to form an exclusive performance club where the retailers are offered various rewards ranging from extra discounts, gifts and extra promotional activities based on different slabs of performance. Mechanic schemes. Mechanics have proved to be a major influencer, especially in the two-wheeler segment, on what the choice of lubricant should be for a customer. Loyalty schemes and high-value gifts are regularly given to promote this segment. Mechanic meets with lubricant experts from Mobil, giving them valuable technical inputs on the superiority of Mobil products have been helpful in bringing mechanics under the Mobil fold. The style and language of brand communications like direct mailers, posters, help educating the mechanics about the schemes and motivate them to work towards their rewards. End users. Increase in Mobil brand visibility across the medium, specifically at point of purchase, has been the focus. Eye-catching posters, danglers, banners, standalone stalls at both retail outlets and mechanic garages were planned and executed at dealer points where the customers decide on the lubricant brand. Participation in automobile expos and making our stalls interactive has given boost to brand awareness among end users. The interactive stalls saw our brand presence in social media. The recent television commercial in the regional language has gone a long way in influencing the customer decisions in favor of Mobil products. Theatrical commercial. Coimbatore being one of the racing hotspots in India with a racing track and a large two-wheeler crazy youth, Ramesh Marketing along with Mobil team commissioned an out-of-the-box theatrical commercial for Mobil 40 oils targeting this market. The commercial was played across 200 screens during the festive season. Huge brand awareness was created and resultant retailer feedback suggested that the response had been tremendous. Special events. Special events are organized to engage fleet owners of trucks to promote our heavy vehicle lubricants. The response and conversion rates have increased post these events. The support provided by ExxonMobil in organizing these events has been inspiring. One of our flagship branding has been Mobil branded service stations. M1 CCO. Various service stations across the region have been able to provide high-end services, resulting in brand promotion and sales of Mobil lubricants. Employees. We consider our employees as our brand ambassadors. Various facilities, performance-based rewards, and regular training sessions with Mobil team are conducted to keep the standards high and create a sense of belonging and ownership among employees. Festival greetings. Creative and unique festival greetings are sent regularly to all our retailers and customers in our database through social media, WhatsApp, and mailers. These have helped in enhancing the brand image of Mobil. Regular branded freebies like caps, t-shirts, wristbands, etc. are distributed to promote brand visibility. Our exclusively designed Mobil branded delivery vehicles have also helped in increasing the visibility of brand Mobil. The Times of RM. Ramesh Marketing started publishing Times of RM, a tri-monthly newsletter with relevant content like tips to mechanics, new product launches, scheme winners, and marketing events conducted during that period. It also included soft stories and health tips to sustain reader interest. Times of RM has gone a long way in developing the brand image of Mobil among the target readers like the mechanics, retailers, and the employees. Our integrated branding activities across the spectrum of the distribution network have resulted in increasing sales volume from 589,453 liters in 2014 to 853,607 liters in the year 2018. As recognition of our branding initiatives, we were awarded the Circle of Excellence Award for the year 2012. The success of all our branding endeavors has been due to the hand-holding provided by ExxonMobil team. Brand Mobil has become a force to reckon with in all the categories of bikes, cars and fleet trucks in this region. We believe the future is going to be fantastic, a journey that we are looking forward to.